Bonjour French Chic ladies, it's Marianne, and today in our French Chic featured video, I have a lovely treat for you. Let me introduce you to the wonderful Elena La Casse. As you know, us French women absolutely adore our scarves. But Elena has taken the art of tying scarves to a whole new level. Elena was born in Russia and started collecting scarves in her teens. And then she moved to France in her 20s, and there she started collecting vintage scarves. Elena is now living in Canada, where she continues her love affair with scarves, and she created her YouTube channel in order to share her passion with you. I will now leave you with Elena, who will show you various ways to tie a scarf.
Hi everyone, Elena is here and I'm very excited to be on Anne-Marie's channel. Thank you so much for having me. This video is an introduction of my channel How to Tie a Scarf, and I will show you a very unusual scarf knot and a few modifications of it. I'm going to use this beautiful Hermes, because what can be more French and more chic than a Hermes scarf? I think only another Hermes scarf. And now let's tie it. The name of the scarf, La Vie du Grand Nord. I fold the scarf as a large band, place it on the shoulders. I grab the scarf in the middle like this and fix it with an invisible elastic. Make a flower. Et voila, our first look is ready. We can easily change this look to something more romantic. Just pull one part of the flower, spread it out, place it on one shoulder. Et voila! This is our second look. For the third style, we grab the scarf not in the middle, but very close to the neck. Fix it with an elastic. And create more petals from the ends of the scarf. It looks so different. Also, you can make all three styles with a scarf folded as a triangle. Which look do you like most? If you like French style, subscribe to this channel. And if you want to see more scarf tying tutorials and recreations, check my YouTube channel too. I hope to see you soon. Bye!
Thank you, Elena. That was absolutely beautiful to watch you tie your scarf. For all of you who enjoyed watching Elena, please visit her YouTube channel. I will put the link below this video, and please say hi to her under her video, and please of course subscribe to her channel. For all of you who would like to be featured on my French Chic featured videos, please let me know in the comments below or email me. Thank you very much for watching this video. Au revoir.